Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has 73 horsepower. Tractor is just over 1,100 hours on it. It's a nice clean tractor. Does have the front weight carrier and front grill guard on it. Paint's in nice shape. Has the R4 tires on it. Foldable rollover bar with the canopy top. Rear remote back here. Extendable 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, top link drawbar, all with the machine. There's 2 rear work lights back here. It's a nice clean tractor. It does have the 12-speed power reverser transmission. Loader control, if you do want to add a loader, you can certainly do so. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.